The ITMEIPC 7-inch tablet for kids is an affordable, feature-rich device designed to offer both entertainment and education for children aged 3 years and up. Running on Android 11, this tablet provides a user-friendly interface and comes equipped with 32 GB of ROM and 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance whether your child is playing games, watching videos, or using educational apps. Its 7-inch eye protection TFT screen offers a clear, vibrant display while safeguarding young eyes during extended use. This versatile tablet supports 2.4G Wi-Fi and includes GMS for seamless access to a wide range of apps and services. It also features parental control options to help manage screen time and content, making it an ideal learning tool for kids. The dual-camera setup adds a fun dimension, allowing children to take photos and record videos, while the support for USB OTG expands its functionality even further. Built to withstand the rigors of everyday use, the tablet comes with a durable, shock-proof case that protects against accidental drops and bumps. It is battery-powered, utilizing a rechargeable lithium polymer battery, and charges via a Type-C port, providing a modern and efficient charging solution. Although it does not support coordinated fast charging, its power management is reliable, operating within a voltage of up to 36 V. Perfect as a thoughtful Ramadan gift or a practical educational tool, the ITMEIPC tablet combines durability, functionality, and affordability. It is a smart solution that keeps kids engaged, informed, and entertained in a safe, child-friendly environment. Experience quality technology made specifically for young users with this impressive, budget-friendly tablet from Temu.